Hello everyone, I'm Shraddha Behel, a data science and business analyst at the Spark Foundation. In my first task, I'm creating a linear regression model to predict the score of a student when the number of hours is given. So let's hop on to the project. Firstly, I'm importing certain libraries. Pandas is used for easy manipulation of datasets in Python. NumPy is used for scientific calculation using arrays, and matplotlib is used to plot graphs, which helps in easy visualization. Next, I'm importing the dataset using the read.csv function and storing it in the variable s_data. Now, to ensure that the data is imported successfully, I'm printing the first 10 rows using the head function and also printing data imported successfully. In order to visualize the data, I'm using the plot function. On x-axis, I'm plotting the number of hours studied, and on y-axis, we are plotting the score obtained. In order to make the graph easily understandable, we are assigning it a title, x label, and y label. Finally, we are able to visualize the data using plot.show function. As we can observe that there is a certain linear relationship between hours studied and percentage obtained. Now we are dividing our data into attributes and label using the ilog function. In X, we are taking all the rows and excluding the last column, and in Y, we are taking all the rows and excluding the first column. Now we are dividing our data set into training and test set. We are assigning 20% of data to the test set and rest 80% to the training set. We are importing train test split model from scikit library to perform this operation. After for the ratio for training and test set, we are finally putting our data to be trained in linear regression model. Here we are again importing linear regression model from scikit library. Once the training is complete, we are printing training complete. Now we know that y equals to mx plus c. Similarly, we are obtaining the line here also by dot coefficient for slope and dot intercept for c. That is the intercept. Here we are plotting a scatter and line plot to visualize the labels and attribute relationship. Now we are printing the x test set and predicting the values of y for corresponding x test set. In the next step, we can clearly see that the difference between in the next step here, we can see that the difference between the actual y and the values which we predicted in the previous step. Now we are predicting the scores of a student and the number of hours studied is given. Finally, in order to know the amount of deviation of error that might be present in the data, we are calculating the mean error by importing the metrics from the scikit library. Thank you.